orientation program for English communication, we gathered here, and on the munch here, President of today's program, Dr. Nand Kumar Yadav Indushar, who was the former Vice Chancellor of Central University Ranchi, Director of Lingua Center, Mr. G. Ojha, Ganesh G. Ojha, Vinod Sir, Honorable Rajesh Sir, who is coordinator of today's program. As I know that this is the end of closing ceremony of 12 days communication skill program, and you, all of the participants, come from all over the Bihar. First of all, I want to share my experience. Yesterday, you can say my teacher, my Gurudev, my sir, my elder brother, Mr. Rajesh sir, who is the coordinator of this program, he called me and he asked me in this way, I am telling you, ki हाल छे आलोक, की करियर लो छे? मैंने कहा मैं घर में हूँ, I am in my house. You know something to speak in English or you have forgotten? I told, you have teached me, I can speak something not forgotten. But after 12 or 13 years, I am speaking something in English on any month. Because, and when I came here, and I was searching my name, that where my name is in this list, but I did not found, because I was finding my post as now I am related to social political person, and my post was ex-teacher of Central School Jamalpur, and I have already forgotten that there was a long ago time I was a Central School teacher. And again I searched, then I found that no, Dr. Ashok Kumar Alok was the former teacher of Central Railway School in Jamalpur. It is a great honor for me that my teacher, my Gurudev, my elder brother call me that you have to be a guest, among which personality? Nand Kumar Indu sir, Ganesh Ojha sir, and I have to speak something in English. No, I cannot speak. I have to learn always from this great personality who is on the stage. Only few I have to speak because I have to also learn and listen something from this personality. Now Amresh sir also has come. He is the Pradhanacharya principal of this honorable and glorious Ganpat Rai Salarpuria Saraswati Vidya Mandir Sainik School. I am thanking to all of the management and respected Rajesh sir that you call me here, and I want to something say to the participant, and also those things I will tell you. Mr. Rajesh sir has teach me. First of all, never say that I am a teacher or I am a master. Never think this. Always you are a student. Also, your introduction today here is student teacher, Chhatra Shikshak. And one of the most famous personality of my society, he is no more, Sheetal Prasad Chaudhary ji. He used to tell always that हमेशा इस जीवन में अध्ययन और अध्यापन क्षण क्षण पढ़ाई पल पल परीक्षा, always he tell, and you have to learn and you have to keep this view in your mind that always you have to learn, you have to then teach. And when being a part of this glorious institution, because there is a thing I have listened that in a school, principal tell the guardian that here we have beautiful clothes, books, copies, facilities, etc. Then he call that where the education is. Other person tell you can get the education from other institution. I have all the things. But here not only education is given, but also the sanskar is the main thing which is given by SBM, any SBM all over the world. And one thing more I want to say that sir was telling environment is most important thing. Vinod sir also tell that one Arab, 1 billion people is speaking English and more than Arab people are trying to speak. This is because this is most important international language. So you have to learn, and you came here, you learn a lot. Your skill is most important thing. Never try to teach the student. Each and every student has their own skill, and you have to be a catalyst to introduce him that you are the personal for this. If let Ramakant Achrekar sir thought that Sachin Tendulkar, you have to be a great footballer, then the world never be aware of Sachin Tendulkar, a great batsman. So you have to know that which student has which types of skill, and you have to say you have to introduce that particular student. And I hope that this orientation program will give you lots of things, and you will enhance your knowledge, your power, and you will make the students glorious for the society. Lots of thanks. Again, I am thanking you all to honor me. Namaskar.